In this video, you're going to learn how to block URLs with URL profile. The purpose here is to block the Hillstone website, www.hillstonenet.com. Before the configuration, make sure you have the correct license installed. You can verify in the system license. The URL license would be needed. And the function is in object URL filter. You need to create a new URL profile. Give it a name. And in Control tab, we have 3 tabs: URL category, URL keyword category, and web surfing record. The last Control tab, web surfing record, is used for log the URL logs. So it's like for usage of audit. But our purpose here is blocking, so we will use the first 2 control tabs, URL category and URL keyword category. First, let's take a look at the URL category. This function is based on the URL categories. You can see there are lots of URL categories in the database. You can block the URLs by category. For example, you could block or business or transportation. And another example is if you want to block the Google, you need to find the Google in the list. It would belongs to the search engine. So check the block box of search engine and then click OK. Then the URL profile would be used to block Google. But now the purpose here is to block the Hillstone.com. But our purpose here is to block Hillstonenet.com. So maybe this one doesn't belong to any of the categories in the list. We can create a user-defined categories. Click New here. Give it a name Hillstone. www.hillstonenet.com. Add it to the list. So you can see there is a new category in the list. Just block it and then click OK. This is only the first step. After creating the URL profile, you need to bind it to the policy. Find the policy which is used to provide the internet accessing service. Edit, and then in protection, check URL filter. Choose the profile name, and then click OK. Now we can have a test. The URL has been blocked. Now let's take a look at another control tab. URL keyword category. The keyword category is used matching pattern to block the URLs. For example, if you want to block all the URLs contain the string Hillstone, you will need a new category, and the keyword would be Hillstone. And the best practice is use the regular expression and then use a wildcard here like this, Hillstone star. That means all the strings we start with Hillstone would be blocked. Add it to the list and then click OK. Now check the block box here and then click OK. Let's have a test. The URL is still be blocked. Thank you for watching. Please visit kb.hillstonenet.com for more details in the document library.